Despite sanctions, Iran has developed significant military capabilities. In response to the killing of its top military leader, General Qasem Soleimani, by American drone striker at Baghdad airport, Iran retaliated and fired over a dozen missiles at 2 American bases in Iraq. Iran's military capabilities are significantly defined by its missile systems, primarily due to its limited air power, while regional adversaries like Israel possess the technology for precision air strikes. Iran does not have this advantage. Consequently, Iran's strategy leans heavily on the deployment of missiles. According to a report by the American Defense Department, Iran's missile forces are considered the most extensive in the Middle East. An American organization estimates that Iran possesses thousands of missiles encompassing over a dozen distinct types. The Qam-1 missile, in production since 2011, can travel up to 700 kilometers and carry an explosive payload of 750 kilograms. The Fate series of missiles, first introduced in the early 2000s, carry a smaller payload. The different versions of the Shahab-3, an intermediate-range ballistic missile, can carry over 750 kilograms and have a range exceeding 1,500 kilometers. The different versions of the Shahab-3, an intermediate-range ballistic missile, can carry over 750 kilograms and have a range exceeding 1,500 kilometers. An American report indicates that Iran is experimenting with space technology for the development of intercontinental missiles with longer ranges. The Patriot missile defense system is a countermeasure employed by the USA to intercept ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and advanced aircraft. Amid escalating tensions with Iran, Patriot system is stationed in the Middle East since last year. Amid escalating tensions with Iran, Patriot system is stationed in the Middle East since last year. However, with the current uncertainty surrounding the deal, it's possible that the program has been reinstated. Regardless, Iran's existing arsenal of short and medium-range missiles could potentially reach targets in Israel. The size of Iran's military is substantial, with an estimated total of 523,000 active personnel. This figure comprises 350,000 individuals serving in the regular army and a minimum of 150,000 in the Islamic Revolutionary Guards Corps IRGC. An additional 20,000 personnel serve in the IRGC naval forces, which operate numerous armed patrol boats in the Strait of Hormuz. The IRGC, which has evolved into a significant military, political, and economic entity, possesses its own naval and air forces and is responsible for managing Iran's strategic weaponry. The Quds force has been active in Syria, providing guidance to pro-Assad military factions and arming militias allied with them. In Iraq, it backed a paramilitary group that played a key role in defeating IS. The Americans, however, asserts that the Quds force plays a broader role by supplying funds, training, weapons, and equipment to groups in the Middle East, including Hezbollah in Lebanon and the Palestinian Islamic Jihad. Iran currently may not have a nuclear weapons program, but it possesses the necessary components and knowledge to develop one. Iran has also been accused of supplying drones to Houthi rebels and has shown willingness to transfer its drone technology to regional allies. In terms of cyber capabilities, Iran enhanced its cyberspace capability. The IRGC is believed to have its own cyber command, focusing on commercial and military espionage. Iran has been implicated in several cyber attacks, including those on American banks and various global companies. In 2019, an Iranian hacker group was reported to have targeted American presidential campaign to breach the accounts of American government officials.